Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine, and it's your resource pack book. And your subject is creativity and innovation. And we start the reading material. First of all, we start the topic is energy. What is energy? Energy. Ability of a body to do work is called energy. All living and non-living things requires energy to do work. Energy comes in various forms. Ability of a body to do work of us is a energy, and all peoples require energy to do work. Energy comes in various forms of energy. There are many forms of energy. Some forms of energy along with examples are given below. First of all, sound energy, second is thermal or heat energy, and third is electrical energy. What is sound energy? Sound energy is the energy of sound waves. Sound waves travel through the air or through other mediums, that is solids and liquids. The energy of sound energy is of sound waves, and sound waves travel through the other mediums and air, that is solids, liquid, and example is tape recorder, sound plate, or stereo, or your voice. This is a sound energy. And what is thermal or heat energy? Thermal or heat energy reflects the temperature. Example, a cup of hot coffee has thermal or heat energy. The temperature reflects the thermal or heat energy, and example is hot coffee cup has thermal or heat energy. And third one is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy caused by moving electric charges. Examples, washing machines and blender use electrical energy to do work. One form of energy can be converted to another form. This phenomena is called transformation of energy. Electrical energy is the energy that is by moving electric charges. For example, washing machines, blenders, and other electrical devices are used in electrical energy. One form of energy can be converted to another form is the transformation of energy. Can you tell few examples of energy transformation? There are some of the ways that energy can change, transform from one to another. First of all, chemical, light, mechanical. Chemical is a mechanical, electrical, and electrical. This is a few examples of energy transformation. And next topic is electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that can be built up in one place and flow from one place to another. To flow, electricity requires a complete pathway. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या होती है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऐसी फॉर्म है एनर्जी की जो किसको बिल्ड करती है? एक प्लेस को, और फ्लो करती है वन प्लेस को टू अनदर प्लेसेस में. टू फ्लो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रिक्वायर्स अ कंप्लीट पाथवे. And electric circuits can be turned on and off by a switch. This switch forms a bridge in the path of the flow of electricity. When you turn the switch on, the current flows along the wires because a small metal pieces inside the switch completes the circuit. This is known as closed circuits, and it allows the electricity to flow without interruption. कह रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट जो होता है उसमें टर्न होता है, हम ऑन और ऑफ करते हैं यानी कि स्विच को. The switch form a bridge in the path of the flow of electricity. When you turn the switch on, जब आप लोग स्विच ऑन करते हो, the current flows along the wires. करंट जो होता है वो किस में आ जाता है? वायर्स में आ जाता है. And a small metal pieces inside the switch completes the circle. और वो छोटे छोटे जो स्मॉल पीसीज होते हैं वो कहाँ आ जाते हैं? स्विच के अंदर होते हैं, जो सर्किट को क्या करते हैं? कंप्लीट करते हैं. दिस इज़ नोन एज क्लोज सर्किट्स. ये कौन से सर्किट्स हैं? क्लोज्ड सर्किट्स. एज इट अलाउज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू फ्लो विदाउट इंटरप्शन. जो अलाउ करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को फ्लो करना इंटरप्शन के बगैर. When you turn the switch off, the metal piece moves away from the wire and the electric current stops flowing. This is known as an open circuit because it does not flow electricity to flow through it due to the break in the electrical path. जब आप लोग स्विच ऑफ कर देते हो, जो मेटल पीसीज होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वायर के अंदर जाना दूर हो जाते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या होता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है। इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं ओपन सर्किट्स। जैसे आप लोग नीचे पिक्चर्स देखें, मेटल पीस इट्स अ क्लोज्ड सर्किट्स, यानी क्लोज सर्किट में क्या होते हैं, आप स्विच को ऑन करते हो और वेल क्या उसके पास क्या मूव क्या होता है हमारे पास, यानी कि उसके वायर्स में इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस जाते हैं और वो ऑन हो जाता है। एंड दिस इज़ अ ओपन सर्किट्स, यानी कि आप स्विच क्या करते हो, ऑफ कर देते हो। आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड। थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।